Hey buddies, now we'll explore the opportunities after learning our Flair Bartending Masterclasses. In pubs, bars and events, Flair Bartender attracts more guests. Hence, it is important for bartenders to turn into a Flair Bartender for fast growth in career. Flair Bartender can work and earn in many ways such as pubs, bars, events, hotels, brand promotions, brand ambassador, trainer, master classes, showmanship, competition, and etc. If you have good Flair bartending skills and smooth moves, you can earn from 3,000 to 3 lakhs per day in worldwide. There is a lot of scope in Flair bartending in India and worldwide. After becoming a Flair bartender, we can attend many competitions national-wide and international-wide, such as IFBA, Indian Flair Bartending Association, and WFA, World Flair Association. Let's meet there.